Hi guys, my name is Kader and today I'm starting to vlog and let me introduce you to Gummy. Okay, this is Gummy. Yo, you punched the views and this is Ate Yasha. Bro! Ate Yasha is playing Still a Brain Rot. You're playing boxing! Wait, what's that called again? What is that called again? 99 Nights in the Forest. Oh, 99 Nights at the Forest!
Kaya look at this.
And yesterday was Gabby's birthday. Happy birthday, Gabby!
Thank you.
And
Kaya look.
so, we are the Kabayatang kids. And today, you write in the comments, Happy birthday, Gabby! And Gummy, you're excited. Gummy, show your excited face.
Kind of fun.
Oh yeah.
Look at this fun.
Look at this Gummy.
Look at this fun game.
Yeah, look at Gummy's face. Yummy. What did you eat so? Oopsie, I accidentally ate Gummy's phone. Haha. If you enjoyed this video, please like and watch this follow. See you guys to Gummy's